Hello, today in this video we are going to be talking about how to calculate a confidence interval using SPSS. So you'll see that I have the General Social Survey 2008 subset open, and I'm going to show you real quick how to get a confidence interval. So I'm going to first of all choose my variable, and I'm going to go ahead and look at if working full-time. So I'm going to look at hours 1, this first variable here. So if you're working full-time, how many hours did you work last week at all of your jobs? And so I'm looking for the confidence interval of the mean for this data. So I'm going to go to Analyze, and then I'm going to go to Descriptive Statistics, and then I'm going to go over to Explore. So Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Explore. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to assume I didn't already do this. I'm going to pick my variable. So now remember, if I give you the name rather than the label, you can right click in this box and choose to display variable names. If you have a really big data set like you do for your project, you can also sort it alphabetically to make it easier to find your variables. So I have them sorted just how they are in the data set. There's only 15, so it's not too hard. So I'm going to move this over to the dependent list, and then I'm going to click on statistics, and you'll notice that the confidence interval for the mean is already checked, and it will already be checked on yours as well. And here I can choose, do I want a 95% level or do I want a 99%? So I'm going to start with a 95, and then we can come back and do a 99. So then once I have that determined, I click Continue. And then normally the both will be clicked down here under Display, but I only want the statistics. I don't need the plots that go along with it. So I'm just going to click Statistics. So again, I'm going to put my variable into the dependent list. I'm going to make sure that I have the correct confidence level, and then I'm going to click Statistics, and then click OK. And what it's going to give me is this output here. So here it's this first box is just telling me how many were in my sample. So this is just kind of what is my valid number of cases. And then this is the important box. So this gives me my mean, which is 42.17, and then my standard error of the mean, which is 0.583. And then my upper and lower bound confidence interval. So this is the range of responses where we are 95% confident that the actual mean falls. And then there are some other things. So the median is 40, you've got the variance, the standard deviation, what is the minimum and maximum in the range, the interquartile range, and then you also have a couple of other variables down here that we are not going to focus on in this class. But that's how you would go about calculating the confidence interval, is using the descriptives box in SPSS. So let's go ahead and do that again, but let's look at the 99% confidence interval. So again, I'm going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Explore, and then I'm going to keep that in there, and I'm going to change though my confidence level to 99%, click Continue, and everything else should remain the same, so I just click OK, and here we go. There's my 99% confidence level. So now it's 40.66 to 43.68 as compared to the first one, which was a 95%. So my interval has gotten bigger, but now I'm more confident. So that's how you would do a confidence interval.